I'm super happy to be speaking at Scrum Day. A little about me, I've spent my whole career in health tech, all the way from big companies like GE Healthcare, mid-size like Epic, and several startups. And during that time, I've focused on things like improving cancer screening adherence, growing a virtual primary care platform to 12 countries that was consumer facing, and overall just scaling products to tens of millions of users. And at the core, I believe that my solutions as a product leader need to make both patients and providers' lives better. And we need to show them the value. And the value needs to be intuitive to some capacity. If we don't do that, we're just not doing our job as product managers.
Focusing on customer outcomes is really the way to continuously improve the product. And if we are continuously improving the product, then we're going to be having a very positive impact on the bottom line as well.
That's all right.
So your speech at Scrum Day is called, I love it actually, by the way, the title, I don't know, it might be my favorite of this year. Scrappy, right? Scrappy sailing, small steps, big treasure. I love it. Incremental delivery is built into the title, but small steps to continuous improvement or small steps to improving value. Tell us a little bit about what you're going to be speaking about.
I think the scrappy piece comes from working at startups or like the small, medium sized companies where 1 minute you'll be working out a feature and the next minute it's, oh, we got to update the privacy policy and boom, that's done within an hour. You just do everything that needs to be done to get the products live. I've worked in several organizations that were new to customer experience or product management overall, and I caught people questioning why we were focusing on certain things. So over time, I created a framework, and I'm going to share some steps on how, first of all, you prove out solutions early using some historical data. The key thing too is focusing on what matters most to your business and leaders. Different companies care about different things, different metrics, revenue versus profitability versus saving money. All that stuff's different, and we need to dive into it. As business leaders, we need to understand these concepts so we can explain our work in the most powerful way possible. And then linking our work to those results. And finally, how do we explain this to internal stakeholders? And then also sometimes how do you explain it to your users?
I love that. I think that focus and knowing what's important to your leaders can really drive a lot of alignment. And the Scrum team wants to know what is important to the business. And so that drives a lot of alignment. I'm looking forward to seeing you at Scrum Day this year. Scrum Day is scheduled for October 16th, 2025 at the Madison Marriott West. Get your tickets at www.scrumday.org.
See you there, Mary. Buy your tickets online.
Awesome. Thank you.